Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I have a chick sour cream container just in time for your Easter creating. And when you're through with today's video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and then head on over to my blog and purchase today's products. That's what helps me continue to create videos and projects to share with you every day. Thanks so much. Now let's flip this around and get on with the creating. We're going to make this chick sour cream container, perfect for Easter baskets or your Easter table, or maybe some outdoor fun this summer. So let's get started. I'm going to use my Stamparatus, and I have the Buffalo check stamp here, and I have used a piece of the grid paper and already stamped my grid of the Buffalo check on there. And the reason that I do that is because then I can slide my paper in and know that it's in the right zone for the Buffalo check stamp to ink it up all the way. So I'm inking the Daffodil Delight paper in Daffodil Delight ink, and we're just going to close this up and give it a good rub all over. And this stamp gives a distressed look, which is fine. I'm just going to give it an extra rub here and then come in so that I can pull it off without inking my fingers. Let me get this out of the way and close up my ink. So then you're going to take your bone folder and take it and soften this so that it begins to round. I've already done that with a piece here. And then we're going to turn it over and add some tear and tape just along this edge. And normally I do multi-purpose glue to close up the end, but for the sake of video, this will be easier. And let's do that across the top here as well. Okay, so, whoops. Pull the backing paper off, and then we're just going to roll this and carefully overlap. You've got these nice lines to line up with. Whoops. And once you think you've got it in place, give it a rub. And then I'm going to reach in and pull off one end. Now you could pull it all off at one time, but then you've got to be extra careful, and I don't like to be extra careful. Okay, so rub that together, and then same thing up here on the top. Could have had my paper piercer out to aid with that, or take your pick tool. Okay, so we've got that closed, and we're about halfway there. So then I have, whoops, then I have used the Hop Around framelits, these two little lilies here. Now the Hop Around framelits coordinate with the So Hoppy Together stamp set that is available during Celebration, and the framelits will be available during March while supplies last, or you can get them now if you join my team. And you can choose to add them to your kit or to a first order. So we're going to add this one little lily up here and make sure that it's adhered. And then put some glue on this one. And line it up. Make sure I'm in camera here while we're doing that. Okay. Now, I've got a piece of Mango Melody here, and I'm going to cut a beak from the Mango Melody. And there's one piece. And then I just like to line this up so that there's no guesswork that it's going to match on the other side. Okay, and then let's add a little adhesive to that. I will have dimensions for all of this over on my blog. You can download a tutorial. And let's add some ink here. Ink. How about some glue? Not ink. We're done with the inking part of this. Okay. And line this up. Okay. My bottom has popped here. I didn't burnish it with my bone folder. Now, I have the cookie cutter punch, and I'm going to slide my basic black cardstock in here and punch a couple of eyes. Oops. And let's give him one eye here. And one on this other side. Okay. Let's see if we can get this to stick down at the bottom real quickly. Now, I'm going to move him out of the way in just a moment. Oh, need my butterfly duet punch, and we're going to give our chick some wings, and you're going to slide this into the punch just past halfway here and punch 2 of these. Now the butterfly duet punch will be back in stock shortly. It has been on back order for a little while. It has been so super popular. Okay, so I've just folded, and then we're going to add a wing over on this side. Hold it for a second. And then make sure that you fold in the opposite direction for the second wing. This big portion goes in the front. Give it a hold there. I'm going to move this one out of the way so that I can work on his bottom later. And I decided while I was setting up that I would like some feet on my chick. So I cut lilies out of the Mango Melody, and I'm going to cut off 2 so that I have 3 little toes here. Probably not the right word for a chick, but and then let's see about sticking that just under the edge here. And last one. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Then please hop on over to my blog and shop with me so that I can continue to bring you more projects using Stampin' Up! Products. As I said, there will also be a tutorial download so that you'll have all the measurements for today's project. Cute little chickie, ready to be filled and used on Easter. Thanks! Bye.